So, how do the pages that are built with RevenueFlows AI improve your conversion rates? So, every single sales page that gets built with our system has got many different elements that are already integrated inside of it. There's actually about 100 different conversion elements that are already embedded and installed on your pages. Now, every single section that we build out, it's got copy that is compelling, and all of the words, they spark desire and they move people into action so that people are going to want to buy your product. It positions your product in a way that is designed to convert clicks into customers, regardless of what traffic source you have, whether it be Google, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or anything like that, right? So whether it's cold traffic, whether it's warm traffic, or whether it's hot traffic, regardless of where somebody is at in their buyer's journey, every single objection or resistance that anybody might have towards buying your product is covered and is answered inside of all of the copy elements that we have built. So if I were to just quickly kind of give you a snapshot of it, and when you check out any of the preview videos below, you'll see some of these elements and things that are embedded in it. But one of the things that we do with our product pages is, number one, we're not just selling a product, we're actually positioning and selling what we like to call a buyer frenzy offer. What's a buyer frenzy offer? Well, it's an offer that again sparks desire and it makes somebody want to buy it right now. Where instead of, oh, this looks cool, and let me just go shop around and look at the other similar items that might be available on Amazon or on Google or anything like that, it differentiates your product and positions it as a premium, so the people want to buy it now. Instead of selling products, when you can sell offers that have risk reversal embedded into it, that have got scarcity components into it, and scarcity is not just necessarily like the amount of quantity that's available and whatnot. There are a lot of different layers of scarcity that's embedded inside of these product pages. And if I had to do like a training just to break down the product page architecture and what we have built, it's literally been like 6, 7 years in the making, the product page, entire architecture and everything that we have built. But I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek into it. So we've got sections like how it works that literally show step by step exactly how to use and get benefits from your product. We have a section that literally talks about the different symptoms and the problems that people are facing that they're going to be able to solve with your product, right? Most sales pages and most product pages completely miss this. They don't talk about the problems and the transformation that happens as a result of buying the product. Every single section has got beautiful, incredible image stacks that actually demonstrate and tell a story about your product, and the sequencing of these images and what these images convey and how quickly they convey them. There's an art and a science to it, and it's already embedded and built in into our product pages. Then we've got sections that literally show what was life like before they buy your product and what is life like after they buy your product. And this is done through a multi-layered approach, something where we demonstrate and basically show, we dimensionalize five different things, which is TIMER, which is time, identity, money, energy, and reputation. And without going into too much detail, this is how much time that they can save by buying your product, how is their identity upgraded from who they were to who they are, how much money that they can save or get back from buying this product, like the money proposition, how much energy that they can save, how much energy and effort that they can save as a result of buying your product, and how is their reputation going to be enhanced as a result of buying your product. So identity is how they feel about themselves, and reputation is how others see them. And these are like buying triggers that most people don't even think about. Again, these have been discovered after like years and years of studying conversion psychology and things like that. And if you don't understand this, or we're obviously not going to be able to go deep in it, but all of these components and everything is already embedded and integrated inside your pages. So we're able to dimensionalize the benefits of your product from every single angle humanly possible. The other thing that your product pages have is we've got an irresistible guarantee that makes somebody want to buy now. Every single objection is answered inside of an FAQ section that we've got as well. We also compare your product compared to all of the other options that are available out there. And we actually do this comparison on two different levels. One is how is buying your product different compared to all of the other things that they have tried, right? And the other layer is how does it directly compare to the other competing products that are out there? So one is a comparison based on the path that they're using, what are the alternative methods and ways that they can get the result that they want, and what is it costing them from a time, identity, money, energy, and reputation perspective versus buying your product and ordering it right now. And the same exact thing that we also do with comparing your product directly with other competing products that are out there. And again, we position and package up everything in a beautiful way, in a beautiful, presentable way with images and copy stacks and everything that flows in the perfect structure that a sales page is built that is designed to convert and literally build 7 and 8 figure brands. Just one product page that's built with this psychology, with this impeccability, and with this like precision and detail can literally go and scale your brand to 7 figures. How do I know? Because I literally did it using this. And actually, the system that I used and what I built manually used to take me months and years to do and a lot of optimizations and things. And you're now going to be able to install the same system within a matter of minutes with Revenue Flows AI. And everything is SEO optimized, everything is AI discoverable, which means that people can find your products on Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, whatever it might be. And again, the other thing that we're doing is we're targeting people that meet where every market is. So in any given market, you're going to have a small segment of the market, like let's say about 10% of the market is going to want to buy your product right away. So these are impulse buyers. There's going to be 10% of your market that no matter what you do, even if you were to charge a penny for your product, they're never going to buy. Okay? It's kind of like selling steak to a vegetarian. They're just not going to buy. And that's fine. All of the money is made in the middle 80%, which is overcoming skepticism and resistance and demonstrating the benefits of your product and why they need to buy it right now. And that is where all the magic happens, and that's where so much money gets lost inside of product pages. And the beautiful thing is, again, like I said, I could literally do a 3 hour training, and I don't even think that that would be enough to literally break down all of our pages and go inside the conversion architecture, every single element and every single pixel, every image, every copy component, how it's written, how it's designed, where it's placed. Everything has been strategic and been done with absolute precision. And these product pages, this is not just some template that we threw up together or whatever. No, we've literally ran millions of dollars of split tests to these product page templates and refined and improved and made it better so that no matter what type of a product you're selling, the presentation is in such an impeccable way that regardless if it's the first time that somebody's coming across your brand or if it's a repeat buyer or somebody who's already like ready to buy and they come to your page, it's designed to capture all of these people and turn them into orders. And again, we're just talking about conversion rate right now, but the other thing that our pages also do is they enhance and maximize your average order value as well. Because as you know by now, all of our pages are designed to maximize your revenue per visitor. Revenue per visitor is your conversion rate and your average order value combined to determine how much money you're able to make from each click. And that's exactly what we focus on maximizing with these pages. So all of the conversion elements, all of the images, all of the design, mobile optimization, every page is built to load fast. 70% of the traffic in this day and age is probably going to be from mobile. So all of the conversion elements and everything is optimized for that. And the other thing is that these pages are not static, right? Once these pages are built and once this architecture is built, we're upgrading and making this architecture better day by day. And as we do, whenever upgrades happen, your pages will automatically get upgraded to our latest architecture, right? So at the time of recording this video, we're on the version 4th of our app, and we have already seen gigantic leaps from our third version of the app to the fourth version of the app, and we're designing a fifth version, and I'm also prototyping the sixth version of our app. And so it's going to continue getting better because what we're looking to build here is a conversion architecture system that continues to improve. And the AI Smart, what we have built here is all of the copy and everything is customized to match your brand voice, your brand design, and work for your type of product and your niche and exactly what works inside of your industry. So all of that, you can skip all the guesswork. You don't have to build and fiddle around with page builders or anything like that. All of the stuff is already built right out of the gate to maximize your conversion rates. And all of these conversion elements, all of the images, all of the copy stacks, all of the all of the offer bundles and where things are placed, and everything is designed impeccably to demonstrate and show people the benefits of buying your product right now, right? And that's exactly how Revenue Flows AI improves your conversion rates.